Hi, Hermes. You're an adorable little gray kitten with that sweet, sweet little face. Oh, but he won't stay still for the video at all. He won't stay still for a video at all. No, he won't. He says, I got better things to do than staying still. Hi, baby. You need your belly tickled? You purring for the camera? Your eyes almost look like they match your fur. Right now, they're kind of greenish blue, but they look gray. He says, oh my, whoever takes me home better have lots of energy to play with me. And lots of cuddle time, too. I got a white tip on my tail, and I got a little white spot on my nose. And of course, I got the white tuxedo markings. And I got a sister who won't stop trying to hog the video. Yeah, I'm a cutie pie. They're having fun in their kitten playroom. What about chasing the balls? He must investigate. Oh, Sissy smacking you right in the face. How rude. Oops. Okay, Hermes, we know you're the cutest one in the batch. Don't we? We know you'll find a home soon. Yes, 6 weeks old. He's had his first vaccine. It has supposed to be on leukemia. And he'll be neutered in a couple of weeks and ready to adopt when he's 8 weeks old. And he's still right roly-poly and cutesy. Tickle him on his belly. Oh, no bites. No bites.